Hey everyone, want to keep your photos a little more private? Today I'll show you how to hide an album on your iPhone in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. First, open your Photos app and go to the album or photo that you want to hide. Tap Select, choose the photos, then tap on the share icon on the bottom left. Scroll down and tap Hide, then Confirm. Boom, it's gone from your main view. Now where did it go? Head to the Albums tab, scroll all the way down to the Utilities, and there it is, Hidden Album. Want to hide the album too? Go to Settings, Photos, then toggle off the Hidden Album. Now even the hidden folder won't show up in your Photos app. Double hidden. And that's it. Super quick and super private. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what other iPhone tricks that you want to see.